Hey, another great set of talks to start day 2. We're about to head to a break, but let me just share some things to know before you go. Like I said, we've got the break now and then the breakout talks starting at 11:25 a.m. London time. We have networking time and networking opportunities again starting at 2:25 p.m. London time. That's Birds of a Feather, Lean Coffee, and Chat Roulette. And then we're back here again for more keynote talks starting at 4:35 p.m. London time. Now, between now and then, go visit our sponsors in the Expo Hall. Navigate to Expo in the top level menu and then visit their booths. Engage with them. They're ready to help you in your journey. And you also check out the fun games that we have. Navigate to games in the top level menu and learn about the fun games that we have to interact with sponsors and the other attendees. And if the fun wasn't enough, you can also win stuff. All right, have fun out there. We'll see you back here for the keynote talks a little bit later.